Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to discuss our new 3D all-around view forklift system. This is a fantastic product that every warehouse should have. While we talk about it, I'm going to have a video here showing you different views of the product actually in action, and we're going to end it with actually one of our customers was nice enough to send us a view of how they're using it here. So the first thing you should know is this is the 3D system. It's not your regular bird's eye view that you see just from the top. While it has that view as well, you also have the option of contorting the camera or choosing the camera to actually view different sides of the forklift, either from the front or just the back or from one side through the forklift to the other. I mean, it's a really cool product. What it does is all the cameras stitch together the 3D view, and then our processor inside will let you manipulate those cameras so that you can view it from different angles. And right here you can see one of our customers was generous enough to send us a video of them actually using it. So if it's a little shaky, you can forgive me. But you can see the customer just driving around their warehouse on the outside here, just going around doing a couple of things. But that's basically the use of what it does. This is one customer's usage of the system. Also, the camera itself, while this guy has it mounted down here, you could have it mounted from the roof, pointing it down, giving you a more natural view. This system works with any 12 to 24 volts. You plug it in. When you get it, you connect all the cameras. As long as the brain is getting power, the system will work. It will work on a 12 to 24 volt system. If you have a different voltage, we have adapters for that as well. You can just call us and we can discuss that as well. The cameras and all the components are very rugged. They're built to last. They can take hits, scrapes, scratches. They'll be good to go. The monitor is also fantastic. It's very durable. You can upgrade that monitor to be waterproof if you want, in the menu here on the website. It just depends on what you need. If you're just using it on the inside, the monitor inside is already, the monitor that's included is already heavy duty. Other than that, there's one other fun upgrade for it, and that is the DVR upgrade. It is an option. Not everybody needs it. But if you do decide to get that, what it does is it records everything continuously while it's in use. So if there's a memory stick in there, you record the entire shift. It could turn on automatically when you turn on the forklift, turn off when you turn it off, obviously. You could also have a recording in a loop, so you never have to replace the memory stick, or it can notify you when the memory stick is full, and then you can just replace it. It's up to you, whatever you guys feel you want to use it for. There are also bulk discounts on these forklifts. A lot of our customers can have 50, 60, or 100 forklifts. So if you call us up and discuss it, you go to our wholesale department, somebody there will gladly take care of you. Again, this is a really cool product with a lot of nice features. You can also choose the type of forklift in the menu. There's different graphics that you can use, and we've also customized it for customers that really need that feature. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video has helped showing you what this system can do. Beyond that, if you want to purchase it, you can whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, give the system a try. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.